Yesterday, Patriot Vision traveled to Ole Miss for the MSPA 2024 State Conference and Awards. We are finalists in 9 different categories and won 2 awards. For the 6th year in a row, we won Best Daily Newscast Award, and we also won the Best Creativity Broadcast Award. Now on to the individual award finalists. Best Long Form Story, Ella Abernathy. Best Weather Report, Ainsley Bright. Best In-Studio Sports, Zach Clark. Best News Story, Ainsley Bright. Best Live Stream for the in-school wrestling event. And Best Integrated Marketing Campaign. In the Best of Show category, Macy Martin was nominated for Best News Story. Caroline Amy and Zach Clark were nominated for Best Creative Videos. We are proud and honored to receive these awards and nominations. We will continue to strive to be Mississippi's best daily newscast. For Patriot Vision, this is Addison Rosengren.
Good morning, Lewisburg. I'm Macy Martin.
And I'm Lily Grace Kirk.
And this is Patriot Vision for Wednesday, April 3rd. Grad Services will be here tomorrow during Patriot time to deliver all the remaining senior items. Seniors, please stop by the auditorium to pick up your items. All balances must be paid first.
Sparkle's audition has been postponed to April 10th. Only one day is needed to try out. See Miss Hoffman for any questions.
Emma Abrams is up for Player of the Week for the 4th week in a row. Go to the Berg Sports account for a link to vote.
Baptist Memorial Hospital is sponsoring Crash Course Summer Camp from July 15th through 17th. This camp is for students that are 16 and older and interested in a career in healthcare. Spots are limited and you need to submit an application to attend. See Ms. Waring for more information.
English Honor Society is sponsoring a creative writing competition. There are 2 different categories, short story and poem. Students may enter both categories or just one. All entries are due April 5th by 3 p.m. There are many details. Please see Ms. Wiseman or Ms. Teal for more information.
We have 3 announcements just for seniors. Number 1, you can now complete the form for Mississippi Scholars Recognition using the attached QR code in their student email. They must meet the academic, attendance, and discipline requirements, as well as 80 hours of community service. The form closes April 12th.
Number 2, check your email for an electronic form that needs to be filled out for scholarship recognition. The form must be filled out by April 24th. If you have any questions, stop by the counseling office.
Number 3, seniors with a 30-plus composite ACT need to see Ms. Hunter this week about the upcoming luncheon. Permission slips are required and must be turned in by Friday.
This week is National Assistant Principals Week. We love our assistant principals.
This week is Assistant Principals Week. We want to take the time to recognize our assistant principals. First up, Mr. Clark. He has 3 kids named Carter, Cash, and Cannon. In his free time, he likes to play golf, work out, and beat 8-year-olds in Spider-Man 2 on the PlayStation. Mr. Clark coached and taught before deciding to create a larger impact on students by becoming an assistant principal. He has a golden retriever and a golden doodle named Fitzgerald and Ryder. Mr. Clark's favorite movie is Good Will Hunting. We talked to Mr. Perkins about Clark's tenacious and determined personality. Mr. Perkins says he never gives up. For Patriot Vision, this is Caroline Amy.
Elections for next year's Student Council will be Tuesday, April 9th. Pick up a form outside of C14. The paper permission form must be complete to run. Form is due April 5th.
And finally, don't forget you can find all of our old episodes on YouTube. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful Wednesday.